Class 9. Today we are starting rational and irrational numbers. What are rational and irrational number? Actually these are the parts of real number. Real number means all the numbers. So real number can be divided into two parts, rational and irrational number. And rational number will be divided further into two parts, fraction and integers. It means rational numbers are fractions and integers. And integers can be divided again into two parts. There are two types of integers, negative integers and whole number. And whole number can be divided further into two parts, 0 and natural number. So this is a flow chart. Learn this flow chart. And what is a rational number? Rational number is denoted by capital letter Q. What is a rational number? Rational numbers are the numbers which can written as in the ratio of two integers as P by Q, where Q should not be a 0. It can be written in the form of actually fraction, but denominator part should not be a 0 number. P and Q are co-prime. Co-prime means no common factor except of 1. See the example of rational number 1 by 4, 1 by 3. You can see these numbers are having no common factors. 17 and 48, they are not having any common factors. Similarly, root 25 is also rational number because root 25 can be written as 5 and 5 you can write 5 upon 1. See the now decimal form of rational numbers. Terminating decimal, terminating means if any fraction is completely divided, remainder is 0, then it is known as terminating decimal. See here. And similarly, next fraction is 7 upon 11. It is non-terminating because after decimal, some pairs of decimals are going to repeat. Just here, 6, 3 and 6, 3, 6, 3 are repeating up to infinite. So it can be written as in the shortest form 0.63 bar because 63 is repeating. So 63 will have bar sign. Now see the question number 1. Find the rational number between 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. It's a very simple to find out rational number between two numbers. Add both the numbers and divide by 2. So answer will come out 5 by 8. Now see second. Find two rational numbers. This time find two rational numbers between this and this. Draw one straight line. Write one end 0.1 and on another end write 0.2. This plus this. Add these two numbers and get the middle number. This plus this upon 2, 0.3 upon 2, it will come 0.15. So this is the middle number. This is one of the rational number, Q1, first rational numbers, 0.15. Now again you can calculate this plus this upon 2, these two number, middle number Q2. Or you can calculate more number of rational numbers like this plus this upon 2. So your answer can be vary from this answer. Now see the 9th question. Express in P upon Q form. This is a bar form is given. In bar questions you have to change in the fraction form. So let consider x is equal to this 6.46 bar. It can be written as 464646 bar means it is x. Now how many digits are having bar after decimal? 2 digits. So that is why multiply by 100. If one digit is having bar, then multiply by 10. So there are two digits. So multiply by 100. This equation number 1. 100x will be here. Now multiply by 100. Point will come out here. See, this is equation number 2. Now see the method. Equation 2 minus equation 1. 100x minus 1x. 99. Similarly, this minus that. It will come 640. So x will come out 640 upon 99. So this is the value of x. This is the fraction form of this bar number. Now see the 11th question. Write in repeating decimal. Repeating decimal means non-terminating form. 1 upon 9 is the question. 1 divided by 9. So what will come? 0.111. So 1 is going like this. So 1 bar. It can be written as 1 bar. So 0.1 bar. Answer. Now see exercise 1b. Irrational number. These are the many numbers are given here. All these numbers are given in question number 1. Find, tell the rational number from here. So what are rational number like this? Minus 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus root 9. All these numbers are rational. Why root 9? Because we can calculate the root of this. And this number can be written at 6.37. Remove the decimal. 637 upon 100 we can write. So all the numbers can be written in fraction form. We can write in fraction form. So all these are rational number. Now see the irrational numbers. Root 3, root 8, pi. Root 3, this number root will not come out in the form of whole number. Similarly here, 22 upon 7 pi value. It will not come like this in the terminating and non-terminating. So that is why it is a irrational number. And positive integer 4. Only 4 is a positive and negative are two numbers here. Neither positive nor negative. That is 0. And question number 4. Write 3 irrational number. You can write any irrational number. Root 2, root 3, root 5 you can write. Root 7 is also. Because these numbers, root will not come in the form of whole number. That is why these are irrational number. Show that root 3 is not rational. Root 3 is a irrational euro. So they are saying root 3 is not rational. So find the root under root of 3. Under root of 3, 1 1 ja 1. If you take 2, 2 2 ja 4 will be greater than this. So 3 minus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Now take the pair of 0 here. 3 minus 1, this pair. Before taking this pair, take decimal up. 20, that's 7. Take 7 here. 1 plus 1, 2. After take 7. Multiply by 7. Whatever number you will take, that number should be multiplied by itself. So now this is 189 is coming. If you will take 8, then multiply by 8. So it will be greater than 200. So don't take 8 and 8. 27 plus 7, 34. Now take the 3 here after 34 and multiply by 3. It will come 1029 and this side you will take, here is coming 11, take one pair of 0. So don't take 4 here. If you will take 4, multiply by 4. You have to multiply by 4. So multiply by 4, it will be greater than 1100. So don't take 4. So multiply by 3. Similarly, you have to do further. So what is coming here after decimal? This number is coming. So this number is not like that, terminating and non-terminating form. It is different from these two forms. So that is why it is root 3 is not a rational number. It is irrational. So children, we have done these two exercises. Next time we will take 1C exercise. Thank you.